What is up, my LS crazed amigos? It's your boy Terry, speaking from the garage shop once again. Here to offer you some more big bang for the buck product and info. Yeah. Well, y'all know what's up with the Trailblazer SS project. We got the LSA on, and now we're putting the whole front pulley system on. You know, a couple more steps in that journey that I always talk about. When you install the LSA, you're going to have to get some pulleys, and there's a couple of companies you can go with, but I always like going with the LSsimple. You know, Murphy, now I got his pulley system on my 71 Chevelle, and I love it. And he's always making improvements to him and everything. So now I got his pulley system that I put on my Trailblazer SS. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish this bracket kit up today. I'm going to put the fan belt on it so we can see what it looks like. So what I want to do is I want to talk to you guys, as I always do, over in my corner. And we'll get it on. Now here's the pulley system that Murphy makes. You know, it's LSsimple, and I love them. All right. Now this whole bracket fits in, and it bolts to parts of the head, parts of the block, and it's really cool. This system allows you to use, if you have a truck, an engine from out of a truck, in most cases you can use the alternator, which we're going to set up, the steering pump, which we're going to set up, and the water pump, which we're going to set up. All right? So let's go over and talk and look at the parts that come with the kit. Now the LSsimple kit is complete. It comes with tensioner and regular pulley, a pulley for your steering pump, a pulley for your alternator, and it even comes with a fan belt. If you're going to go with a smaller pulley on your snoot, you may have to get a smaller fan belt. But let's get installing. This is what I like to call the ham can style steering pump, because it looks like a ham can. It's look at a big teardrop actually. I don't know if you can see it back there. Now I got the one with this little hose sticking out because that's for Hydro Boost, and eventually I'm going to convert this truck to Hydro Boost. So the beauty of this type of steering pump is the pressure line and return lines hooks right into the back of it, so there's no type of conversion or either use an adapter or anything like that. So you're golden. Tool through the pulley, tighten this down in there, 16 milli. Now you want to make sure these pulleys are lined up, because the last thing you want is the belt jumping off. Looks good. Comes with a little bolt to make it look nice and clean. And there you go. Alternator is very easy. What's installed? Marsher. Sandwiches in between. Alternator installed. Now it's time to install the tensioner pulley, and this is slick. Let me show you something. You see that tab right there? Come here. That tab will fit into one of these holes. So basically you have 6 positions where the tensioner pulley can fit into. This will ensure that you get the proper tension on your belt. Install the belt. In about 45 minutes to an hour, the LSsimple LSA bracket can be installed. So that's it for installing LSsimple LSA bracket. And just like the name says, it's pretty simple. At this time, I want to thank my buddy Murphy for hooking a brother up. Murphy, solid cat, for making this beautiful piece. Check him out. Come here, let me tell you something. If you like what you see here, hit subscribe. And while you're at it, hit that bell, because that means you're going to get notified when Coverman66 puts out some more videos. And you don't want to miss me, because I got a whole bunch of videos coming out. I see the future. A lot of videos. All right? But I want to thank you guys for joining in, And again, like I always say, and I'll continue to say this, there is no me without you. So continue to do what you do, and I'll continue to do what I do. But I'm looking at the clock on the wall. Yeah. Or should I say ceiling? It's time for me to head on off and continue to keep on going away at this truck, because one more step in the journey is the Trailblazer SS project. And again, thank you. And as always, be easy, and I'll catch you guys real soon.